Hi everyone, I'm presenting our work, Simultaneous Trajectory Optimization and Contact Selection for Multi-Modal Manipulation Planning. Humans can perform this multi-modal dexterous manipulation very naturally. We are good at utilizing the contact between the object and the environment, and we are also skilled in changing the contact between our hand and the object. However, both of these things are challenging for a robot. To assemble this gearbox, a robot equipped with a two-fingered gripper may need to first reorient the parts and then grasp them. This problem is difficult as the algorithm has to reason about performing a non-prehensile grasp, rotating and/or sliding before the pick-and-place action. In this paper, we present a manipulation planner that is able to reason about diverse changes of contacts to discover such a plan. The contribution of this paper are twofold. First, we propose STOCS, which is a novel contact-implicit trajectory optimization and infinite programming algorithm to generate manipulation trajectories involving sliding and pivoting. Then we propose a multi-modal manipulation planner, which is a sampling-based planner that uses STOCS as a local planner to generate plans involving changes of manipulator contact state. Planning for trajectories which include multiple changes of contact is difficult, as the changing of contact state results in non-smooth dynamics. Previously, people solved this problem either by hybrid trajectory optimization or contact-implicit trajectory optimization. However, both these methods have their limitations. Hybrid trajectory optimization requires a predefined contact sequence, and contact-implicit trajectory optimization requires a predefined allowable contact sets. Our contribution STOCS is a method that could solve for contact-rich trajectory optimization problem without requiring all of this. Here is the workflow of STOCS. Given the start and goal pose of an arbitrary shaped geometry, and specify the manipulator contact mode as the input, first, a trajectory is initialized by either interpolating between the start and goal pose or setting everything at the start pose. Then the contact selection module uses maximum violation oracle to select active contact points along the trajectory. A finite number of points on the surface of the object is selected as the index set, and then an MPCC problem is instantiated on this index set to solve for a new trajectory. The algorithm will loop through these steps until the solution converges. We first verify STOCS in numerical experiments. STOCS could robustly solve for such a pivoting trajectory for arbitrary-shaped geometry. Also, with the same initial pose and manipulator contact mode, but different goal poses, STOCS can always steer the object to the goal pose as close as possible, while satisfying out constraints imposed by the selected manipulator contact state and the environment. The second contribution of the paper is to demonstrate the utility of STOCS as a local planner in a sampling-based planner. Given the start and goal pose of an object, the multi-modal manipulation planner will loop through the following steps while the goal hasn't been reached. First, a random pose Q-ideal is sampled in the configuration space. Then the closest node Q-parent is found in the tree. Next, a manipulator contact will be selected from all the allowable manipulator contact at Q-parent, and STOCS will be used to steer the object from Q-parent to Q-ideal. The algorithm will loop through these steps until the goal is reached. The manipulator contact selection step enables multi-modal behavior to be discovered. Here we show some trees planned by the proposed planner, and the corresponding trajectories extracted from the trees. The color of the object represents its manipulator contact mode as shown in the red figure. The solution trajectories demonstrate that the planner discovers the change of a manipulation contact mode from one-point contact to two-point contact or vice versa, and can switch from pivoting to grasping to sliding. The sampled tree illustrates that very few nodes are actually sampled, and the planner makes quite a direct progress toward the goal. Hardware experiments are performed to evaluate the planned trajectories. A Mitsubishi Electric Assist industrial position-controlled arm with a force torque sensor mounted at the wrist of the robot is used in the experiment. The default stiffness controller of the robot is used to execute the planned force trajectories. We use April tags to track the pose of the object, and when a single-mode manipulation trajectory is completed and a new manipulator contact needs to be made, the object pose feedback is used to initialize the new contact. To conclude, our contributions are a local planner STOCS and a global multi-modal manipulation planner. For future work, we'd like to investigate methods for sampling manipulator modes so that the target configuration is always reachable. Also, we'd like to explore the use of more sophisticated grasp generator in manipulator mode sampling, and also explore applying our algorithm to fully 3D and quasi-dynamic problems. Thank you so much for your attention.